Welcome to Rick's Café, Casablanca.
Planning for a group dinner at Rick's? We suggest a table service group menu, specially designed to provide your guests with the best experience. 4 courses, with a starter, 2 mains and a beautiful dessert. This special menu features some of the Rick's Café signature dishes, as well as a taste of the world-famous Moroccan flavors. Goat cheese salad with figs. Roast salmon with grainy mustard mashed potatoes. Beef spicy meatballs, saffron rice with raisins and almonds. Rick's cheesecake, cinnamon honey orange salad. Enjoy our special group dinner menu, and experience Rick's Café, Casablanca.
Rick's Café, Casablanca.
For once in a lifetime.
For reservations, please email us at booking.rickscafe@gmail.com.